So I don't know how many of y'all been rocking with us, but you know this wall is about to get fixed today. And this fridge is about to go in its place today. And this backsplash is about to get changed today. Y'all, let's get into the transformation that's about to occur. Yay! So this is the backsplash that we're going to be using over here in this area. So it's going to be like an accent backsplash, and then we're going to be using this plain white subway tile backsplash to go here. So I'm getting my white kitchen, not white and bisque. Blech. I do not like bisque, y'all, if I'm being honest. So of course we will change out these as well when the time comes, so they white as well. But I'm so excited. The fridge is in. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. So we are making much progress, you guys. Look. Oh my gosh. It's happening. It's happening. It's happening. The kitchen I want is about to be here. Day one is done. You see our walls are back, our fridge in place again. We have the stove back. So yes, I actually ended up talking to my brother, I'll show you this one, about these. It's bisque, so he's gonna change these out for me and make sure that they are white. So we have the white, you know, boxes and all of that. But yes, this is day one. You guys, the tiles are going up. We are on day 2 and the tiles are starting to go in. It's a magical, still the bare walls on these, but let's focus on these because honey, progress. You guys know I got this. So cute, you guys. So I kill all plants. It's really sad, but I'm not good with plants at all. And so I have this, and y'all saw this one that was at the Target, and they tried it. $20 for this tiny one, and this was only $16. So I'm really excited about this. I feel like it's really cute. I feel like kitchens look really cute and homes in general when they have like little stuff places, and it's like, even though it's not like useful per se, it's like little stuff that's cute. So I think I'm gonna put this right over here. So cute. $4.99, and it will hold our dish cleaner thing because you don't want that just laying around the sink, and that's kind of how we have it. But now it has a dedicated no slip sink caddy, so I'm excited about that, just to keep things nice and neat and clean. This soap dispenser, I just thought it was really cute, and so I wanted it. And this is it, just a nice clear soap dispenser, but keeping it classy here in the kitchen, you know. So some soap right there for when you're cooking and you're using the spoon and stuff, boop, you put it right here. So put this right here, that's where it goes. And so yeah. Alright, so you saw I picked this up for $5 from the Target, and I got it because it's, you know, I keep the receipt for everything. It's gonna be a trial and see if I like it, but I didn't want how this stuff is just like gathered right here. It really annoys me. It makes it look cluttery. But when you place it inside of something, then it looks so intentional. So I wanted to just place it so it looks nice and neat. So that's why I got this. So that's what I have going on here. Boop. So I got my tea and my honey. And this is my tea maker. Actually, well, it boils hot water, so it's my hot water maker. And then this is the Keurig for when I make coffee. Okay, you guys, it is day 2 of the tile renovation. I'm gonna let you see where it's at. So my husband, man, last night started getting it up already. Hey, husband, man.
Hey.
So he is working hard. Y'all, I love him so much. He gets it done. So he's been cracking up the tiles. What do you use? I think he uses like a mallet to like crack up the tiles. It's on the floor somewhere. I found it. This is what he uses. Boom. So he grips it. He said you gotta grip it really tight. If you don't grip it really tight, it could give you blisters, I guess. Like, so he grips it really tight and he like smashes it down. So make sure I give y'all some of that footage. Anything you have to say, a tip for anybody that's thinking about doing this?
No, this is what you need to do.
No, this is what you
just do it. Think you go do it and get it done. It takes a little work.
Ooh. Yeah, he said he spent about an hour and a half just doing this section last night. So that's something to definitely keep in mind if you're thinking about doing.
And make sure you wear safety stuff. So gloves, knee pads, shoes. I wasn't wearing shoes before. And safety goggles.
Okay.
And a mask because it gets dusty.
Okay. So now you know. You need all these things. He does have a person that's going to be coming over and helping, a friend of ours. So that's exciting. But yeah, so we'll definitely be giving you guys some of the footage. But this is where we are. Hour and a half for that. And then again, we have all of this still left to do right here. I'm saying we, but I mean he. I'm here for moral support. And you see he's making sure the air is turned off. Shout out to the E-Kobe, even though you ain't paying us for this video. And that's because you don't want the dust and stuff getting sucked up into the air vents. So, yeah. But, all right. We'll be giving you guys some footage. Oh, that's the face.
Gotta get my mind right.
Woo.
It's say everyday labor. Oh, and make sure you like cover stuff up because it splatters. It's a very messy job. So, the chips splatter, they fly, and just make sure you cover
everything up.
Now, granted, dust does go over it. However, the chips really don't go over this. So you can even see the chips lined up. But nonetheless.
Oh, yeah. There's little tiny chips like on the ground.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, for sure. I packed a lunch today, you guys, because I won't be able to really be in the kitchen. So I'm going to be in the room. I'm going to just do my hair. I'm going to do a hair video. So, yeah. All right.
Let me see the towel.
All right. Ricky, I do have a quick question. So what is your plan for how you're going to get the ones up under that cabinet? Because you're swinging. Oh, okay. You scrape it. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. All right. I'll try to get some of this scraping process for you guys if I can. But it's a lot happening. As you see, is